A very warm welcome to all the student. And this is video 6 of chapter 3, that is function Python. In this video you will learn about a scope of variable. Actually this is the second part of the same topic. Okay. In previous video you had seen about global and local scope. In this video you will see the use of global keyword. Okay. Here I am taking one variable x and I am going to initialize its value global. Okay. Now one function, name of the function is fun. Here I am going to declare one function, name of the function is fun. Okay. And one more variable I am declaring x is equals to x into 2. Means what I am going to do here I am going to update the value of the x. Okay, see what will happen when we called this function. In previous video the same example we had seen. What happened over there in previous video, it produced an error, that is unbound error. Okay, so how we will solve that error? See, we have to use global keyword. Means if we are going to update the value of the global variable inside any function, then we have to referentiate that variable with a global keyword. Okay, now it can update this global keyword, global variable will be updated, will update here. Okay, so you have to use global keyword while referentiating global variable inside a function. That you have to keep in your mind. Got it? See, without using global keyword it will generate an error. Okay, now with the use of global keyword it will produce output 2 times global because we have multiplied it, replicate that string 2 times. Okay, now it is clear to you what is the use of global keyword when you are using what, a global variable inside a function. Now see one more example. If first of all see the code fragment, then I will explain you this example. What I am going to do here, I have taken two variable and the name of the variable is same, x. One is outside of the function, that is the global variable, and one is inside the function, that is the local variable. Means two variable with the same name x. Okay, I am accessing both the variable, one inside the function and one outside of the function. Okay, see what will happen when we access the variable inside the function, then it will be produce output as 10. Reason? Because the priority of the local variable is more than the global variable. Okay, so inside the function it will use a local variable and outside the function it will use global variable. Simple. Got it? When we call the function, then what the body part of the fun will execute, and it will produce what x is equals to 10, and outside of the fun it will produce output as a 5. Now see the output, x inside 10 and x outside what 5. Now clear the use of the global variable and local variable, and how we will differentiate if the global and local variable with have same name. That differentiation you must be know. Okay,